Guys, this is teacher and coach and the bridge of Sounds of American English. This is video number 3. You're going to talk something about rhythm of the language, the ups and downs, the length you take to pronounce the language, and compare to our native language, which is Portuguese. So, first, Portuguese is a syllabic language. For example, eu quero ir à festa. Eu quero ir à festa. In English, you get the sounds of the letters or the sentences long or longer, short or shorter. It goes up, it goes down, it is higher, it's high sound, ooh, or it's higher. I'll show you. I'm sharing this. The name is The Sounds of American English course. The name of my English school is SMART. In Brazil, in the state of Rio de Janeiro, we usually don't say R, we say A. So it's not the same sound. SMART. It means intelligent. It means wise. And the official name is this, when I always like to make myself clear that different people asks for different approach. So let's make longer, shorter. The sounds of American English. English is not a syllabic language. You can say syllabic or syllabical. Syllabic language. Teacher, what does it mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? And the Portuguese is, in some way, a syllabic language. I'll show you. For example, in Portuguese, you have the sentence, eu quero ir à festa. It's about the same. Eu quero ir à festa. La da 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 da. Da 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 da. Look, in English. English is not a syllabic language. What do you mean, teacher? Syllables? No. English is about the time you take to pronounce the words. And there are, this is especially for teachers, some words that are louder or larger, like nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, questions that begins with WH questions, who, when, what, where, etc. Because you ask for information about stress is about the information. If I say off, of, of, English, the preposition de, it has no information. But if you say beautiful house, you can understand in your mind what I mean, because there's a notion, there's a message that is strong information of, in, he, mine. This is not informative word. So the informative word for in another time, in another class, we say stronger the words, the sentences that contains the parts of the sentence that are nouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, WH questions, and the negative can't, or negatives, or not. So it's another class. Let's come back here. It's syllabic because you can break it into syllables. You can break it into syllables. Let's see. If English is not a syllabical English, what is English about? English is a time stress language. Did stress mean you're tired, cansado? No, it's about strong pronunciation. In Portuguese, we call this oxítona, paroxítona, paroxítona. The English has no graphic accents. No way. No trema, no tio, no acento agudo, acento grave. No way. How do I pronounce? Let's learn. I'll teach you. I said, it's a time stress language. Let's see the word eu quero ir à praia in English. I want to go to a party. First, we cut here, want to becomes wanna. These small words that say grammar words or for teachers, function words, functional words, grammar words, not information words. There is no information I or to or are, but there's information in the verbs and the nouns, party. I know I can see in my mind a party with music, with people dancing, having fun. So we cannot stress like we cannot use I want to go to a party. No, it's no good. It's horrible and it's wrong, okay? That's wrong. So let's erase it. Time stress language, teacher. Time stress language. Look, I want to go to the party. First, let's see the ups and downs. Ups and downs. Up, movement up, movement down. So, firstly, we cut the grammar words of structure words. No I, no to, no the. And when the word has two syllables, we just have the stress in one syllable. One syllable, for example, wanna. So we stress one. Go. Paw. The rest, you get them short and shorter and shorter. Instead you say I, you're going to say I, down, up, one, down, na, go to the party. So ups and downs. These are ups, ups, up, up, down, 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 down. So it's kind of velocity, the time you take to pronounce the word. I wanna go to the party. I wanna go to the party. I want to go to the party. I want to go to the party. I want to go to the party. Look at this. I want to go to the party, because the next lesson will be about the letter T in American English. It becomes D or RI, como party, party. I want to go to the party. I want to go to the party. I want to go to the I want to go to the party. I want to go to the party. Do you want to go to the party? Do you want to go to the party? Você quer ir à festa? Você quer ir à festa? Você quer ir à festa? Ou seja, não, você pode conhecer tudo de inglês, que você não souber essa matéria de como você pronunciar as palavras em inglês, você só sabe inglês, mas você não tem a metodologia o approach. Eu não gosto da palavra metodologia, não, porque fica parecendo o método de Jandira. Não é meu método. I'm a specialist in English. I study people and I take the knowledge they teach me. Eu não tenho um método. Eu estudei para ser professora e li os linguistas e a linguística aplicada à língua inglesa, etc. Blá, 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 blá. So, do you know what is P, T, P, R? Do you know what's TPR? Total physical response. You have to be awareness about English. Awareness, conscience. Você tem que ter consciência de que inglês, os sons é uma coisa, as letras são outras, e se você sabe inglês if you can speak English, but you cannot give immediately response, you don't have the awareness in English. Você não tem a consciência de dar uma pronta resposta. Esse é o assunto para o nosso vídeo número 4. Thank you very much. This was about the sounds of American English, part 2. And English is not a syllabic word. Thank you very much. Bye for now.